The 2024 Suzuki Vitara is a small SUV that combines practicality with affordability. With options for mild or regular hybrid engines, it offers versatility in both 2- and 4-wheel drive configurations. The Vitara handles corners adequately but lacks the steering precision of rivals like the Ford Puma. It's more suited for city driving, offering easy maneuverability. The hybrid version adds minimal weight, maintaining its handling characteristics. Inside, the Vitara provides a comfortable driving position with adjustable seats and steering. However, the interior materials feel less premium compared to competitors. The infotainment system is user-friendly but can be slow to respond. The Vitara boasts a spacious interior with ample legroom and a large boot. The rear seats fold 60/40ths, enhancing cargo space. However, the panoramic roof and SC5 trims can reduce headroom for taller passengers. Priced competitively, the Vitara is economical to run, with the mild hybrid achieving over 50 miles per gallon. Suzuki's strong reliability record adds peace of mind, though the Vitara's safety rating is outdated. Overall, the Suzuki Vitara is a practical and affordable choice for those seeking a small SUV. While it may not match rivals in luxury or driving dynamics, it excels in reliability and efficiency.